Assalamu alaikum. Now I am telling you about some relations, its locations of the kidney on the model. In this model, here the two kidneys are shown, right and the left kidney. And right and left kidney, what is the location of the right and left kidney? Both kidneys are retroperitoneal structure present on the posterior abdominal wall, as in this model shows that both kidneys are ovoid in shape. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney, and both kidneys lie starting from at the level of the T12 till the L3, but some variations are present. As previously I told you that the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. So this shows that what is the relation of the kidney with the transpyloric plane at L1 level. The hilum of the left kidney is present on the transpyloric plane, but the superior pole of the right kidney is present at the level of the transpyloric plane. So it means that the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. Same, the right kidney is placed obliquely and the left kidney is placed vertically on the posterior abdominal wall. Now the measurements. Both kidneys are approximately 10 cm in length, 5 cm in width and 2.5 cm in thickness. Now the surfaces, borders and the poles. Both kidneys have anterior surface and posterior surface, superior and inferior pole, and medial and lateral borders, which are also called the medial and lateral margins. Perinephric fat surrounds the kidney and the vessel as it extends into the hollow centers, the renal sinus. Then superficial to the perinephric fat is the renal fascia. The kidney, suprarenal gland and the fat surrounding them are enclosed in the renal fascia. This is a membranous layer which continuously medially to ensheath the renal vessels blending with the vascular sheath and inframedially prolonged along the ureter. And superficial to the renal fascia is the paranephric fat or the pararenal fat body external to the renal fascia. Now the renal hilum. As I already told you, the relation with the transpyloric plane is the hilum of the left kidney passes through the transpyloric plane and it is approximately 5 cm from the median plane, while the right kidney is 2.5 cm lower than the left pole. The relations: posteriorly, superiorly diaphragm present and inferiorly here superiorly diaphragm posterior surface पे उसका relation बनाता है, and inferiorly this is the psoas muscle and this is the quadratus lumborum. So posterior surface, posteriorly relation is superiorly to the diaphragm and inferiorly to the psoas and the quadratus lumborum. And anteriorly, liver on the right side, duodenum and ascending colon is present on the right side of the kidney. Impressions is also present. Here the duodenal impression on the right kidney. Superior pole is the suprarenal impression, side पे hepatic का. Left side पर, as they are known, lateral margin is the splenic impression, mid में pancreatic impression and upper पे suprarenal impressions आ जाते हैं. Movements of the kidney during respiration. Each kidney moves 2 to 3 cm in a vertical direction during the movement of the diaphragm. Now here in this model we will now identified some structures. Here is the right side suprarenal gland, this is the left suprarenal gland, this is the kidney, this is the hilum of the right kidney, this is the left side of the kidney, and their arrangement is VAUA. V means vein is present superficially, then artery, then ureter, and then lower side पे again हमारे पास artery आ जाती है. If I am removing the sagittal plane cutting section of the kidney, here this is the ureter, pelvis, these are the calyces, and these is called a pyramids of the kidney.